Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Michigan and love birds and currently looking for a field guide for birds or bird watching guide which will help you with bird identification? If you're currently living in Michigan and love seeing birds, then the Wild About Michigan Birds will be the perfect partner for you. This is a youth's guide to the birds of Michigan and is prepared by Adele Porter. Because kids are naturally curious, this item will satisfy your kids' curiosity while fostering a love of nature. Your kids will surely love this field guide. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, library, or for collection. The vivid photographs and convenient format of this item will have wildlife fans of all ages flipping through this book with each new sighting. So now that you know all the details about this youth guide, then it's time to get it. Grab the Wild About Michigan Birds today at a very affordable price and see that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Michigan. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.